Hi children, welcome back once again. Today in this class we are going to see one of the major discourses which gives you here 12 marks, which gives 12 marks, that is a report writing. Okay students, then what is report writing? ఎందుకు రాయాలి? When you have to write the report, what is the need of report writing? How to start report? What about the report is? Many questions arises in our mind. Am I right? Same. I will help you. Come to the point. Then what is report writing? Students, you generally see in your home, Dasara celebrations, Deepavali celebrations, Nagula Panchu celebrations, many festivals are there. Housewarming celebrations, right? Programs are there. Cradle ceremony, wedding anniversary, marriage program, different programs at home. In schools, Children's Day celebrations, Teachers' Day celebrations, Independence Day celebrations, Republic Day celebrations, Army Day celebrations, different will be there. Avuna kada? Sometimes a meeting will be conducted, gathering will take place there to conduct some programs. Ivi anni conditions lo, to keep it as a proof, you will be asked to write a report. అది ఏం జరిగింది, ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది, ఎలా జరిగింది, దాంట్లో ఏమేం జరిగింది ఈ రాసి పెట్టాలి, దానికి రిపోర్ట్ అనాలి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ రిపోర్ట్. దెన్ హౌ టు స్టార్ట్ ద రిపోర్ట్? ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఇస్తా, హౌ టు రైట్ అ రిపోర్ట్. మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? స్టార్టింగ్కి అట్ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ 3 questions in the mind to start a news report, to start the report. Okay, you have to keep 3 questions in the mind. What are the 3 questions? If you answer these questions, what is the question first? What about the report is? What about the report is? ఆ రిపోర్ట్ దేని గురించి ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్లో రాయండి. సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్, when did it take place? When did it, ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది, రైట్? అండ్ థర్డ్, where did it take place? ఎక్కడ జరిగింది? ఈ 3 క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో రాస్తే మీ 50% వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయినట్లే. ఇట్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్, ఇట్ గివ్స్ బెస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్ టు ద రీడర్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? దట్స్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దిస్ 3 క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. అంటే రిపోర్ట్ షుడ్ బి రిటన్ ఇన్ అట్లీస్ట్ 2 paragraphs. ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్లో ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో 3 questions ఆన్సర్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో ఏం జరిగింది రాయండి, వాట్ హ్యాపన్ దేర్, ఆ రోజు ఏం చేసినా అది రాయండి. ఓకే, suppose you are asked, suppose there is a question, Teachers' Day was celebrated in your school. Write short report on it, or write a short report on Teachers' Day that is celebrated in your school. ఇదంటే ఇస్తారు, క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి ట్విస్టెడ్. మరి ఆన్సర్ ఏం రాస్తారు? మరి హౌ టు రైట్ ఆన్సర్? In first paragraph, you write the answer of these three questions. Shall we start? Yes. First question, what is the report about? What is the report about? I will start how to write report now. Starting ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? How to begin the report? By making paragraph. Okay. ఇక్కడ నుంచి గ్యాప్ పెట్టేసి రాయండి. This is a short report. This is a short report on which are Teachers' Day celebrations. Teachers' Day celebrations. Right. Teachers' Day celebrations. ఏం చెప్పి ఇక్కడ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద రిపోర్ట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం రాశాను దిస్ ఈజ్ అ షార్ట్ రిపోర్ట్ ఆన్ టీచర్స్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్ రైట్ నౌ వెన్ ఇట్ టేక్ ప్లేస్ ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది దీనికి ఆన్సర్ రాద్దాం ఇప్పుడు which was conducted when the Teachers' Day conducted on 5th September. Okay. ఏం రాశాను వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ when did it happen? Okay. And next where did it happen or take place? Now continue చేయండి in a school campus. In a school బదులుగా write name of the school. You can write name of the school instead of okay in our school. Write name of the school. Now see this is one paragraph. Okay, you have only 2 lines. Okay, no problem. But make a paragraph. As word is lengthy, it took only 2 lines. If it is a short one, it takes 4-5 lines. Okay, no problem. Now in the first paragraph you have to mention where the particular okay what about the report is. Firstly this is short report on Teachers' Day celebrations. When it took place here, which was conducted on 5th September 2020. Where? In our school campus. ఇక్కడ దాకా అర్థమైందా రైట్ మరి చేయాలి స్టార్ట్ విత్ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ నౌ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ అంటే రిపోర్ట్ రైటింగ్లో దే విల్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs ఇట్ లెఫ్ట్ యువర్ చాయిస్ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఏం రాస్తారు మరి we on 5th September we were all excited or instead of a date you write here on 5th September we gathered in our school with excited heart means very happy excited hearts everyone was very happy with colorful flowers and gifts in their hands to felicitate the teachers for their valuable contributions towards to make our life successful. Means what happened? You are writing these all things. Then you have to continue. ఏం జరిగిందో రాయండి మీరు. Right. After the assembly is over, we were sent to the classes and we were eagerly waiting for the program to be conducted to give respect to our teachers towards this day. Right. After the attendance over, we were sent to a big hall, seminar hall of our school, where hundreds of students can sit conveniently with brightful lights in the hall. Stage was decorated. Okay. All teachers were invited to take the respective seats on the chair, or all the teachers took the respective chairs on the stage. On this occasion, our principal graced the stage by giving a message, and he just recalled his teachers when he was a student and became emotional, in which way his teachers helped him in molding his life, and the such way the teachers help in everyone's life. That's why every child should respect the teachers and learn whatever possible from the teachers. After the valuable message of the principal sir, we interested students were invited on the stage to deliver a speech, and I too expressed my heartfelt feelings towards my beloved teachers. In this way, one by one, most of the students were very emotional while delivering speech on the stage, and after the speech program is over, some cultural programs were conducted, and lastly, the teachers were honored by the school management. Before that, we too give some gifts and flowers bouquet to our beloved teacher. It was turn of management also. It was turn of management. From the side of management, our principal felicitate our the headmaster, all teachers by giving some mementos and gifts towards this day. The program came to an end with a vote of thanks by my one of the best friends, Sono, and thus the program was conducted in a grand way. Okay, students, in this you have to write these all things. Okay, means you have to start how the program started, and you have to complete how it came to an end, and in between two poles, beginning and ending, అది ఏం జరిగింది, you have to write thoroughly. ఓకేనా, మీకు ఏమొచ్చో అది రాయండి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, I hope you understood how to write report writing of any event, any celebrations, any program, any occasion. Okay, students? Right. Let us have a break and let us meet in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.